Well, it's day 3 of working on our bus, and it's really cold out here. And my husband is inside the bus making all kinds of noise, so I hope you can hear me. He's using his angle grinder to try to get rid of some of the rust that's on the metal pan of the bus. So far so good. He started at the back of the bus and he's working his way up towards the front. We're going to need to get ourselves a braided wire brush. We thought we had one, but we don't, so that's going to have to wait till tomorrow. It's really late, it's dark out, we're cold, and we're going to do what we can with what we've got, and tomorrow we'll pick that wire brush up and we'll continue to work on the floors. But just making this video to show you our progress so far. We're really enjoying it, even though it's super dusty. I don't have a mask on, but my husband does, since he's really down on the ground breathing it in. I'm just standing here in the doorway for the moment trying to get some fresh air. But here's what we've got so far. I hope you enjoy.